go. It's got this Master Lock Pro Series 6321. Really strong. Look at my fingers, I'll go white to turn it. And you've got to hold the key over while you take the shackle out, otherwise you can't get it out. Close shackle. Quite a nice lock actually, weighty. It's key retaining when it's open. And when you push the shackle back in, snap shut. Here's the bit on the key. It's pretty good. I'm going to pick it. Try top of the keyway. There's a lot of space in the bottom there, which I can't see, sorry guys. A lot of space in the bottom there, which I'm not going to get something to poke it with. Which I'm not going to be able to use to pick, because I can't get it past that piece of warding, so I'm going to have to pick focus. I'm going to have to pick it off the side here, up into the pins, thus. But that's the theory anyway. Going to use a sort of gem style hook, even though that's really high at the back and they're low. But see if I can weave it around the keyway so that I don't overset them in the process. Okay. Oh, everything slipped up there. That's not in now, it's going to fall out. Okay, see what we got then. Click on one, it's loose. Two's loose. Three's loose. Drop something. Okay, click off something at the back. Wrench is coming out. I knew that wasn't in properly. Okay, I think it'd be better if I had one of the angled wrenches, but I don't have one here. So, start again. Click off one. Click off two. Click off three. Click off four. Nothing. And if I get to the back, click. Okay, back to the front. Click. Nothing. So click off three again. Oh, that felt horrible and graunchy. Big click there. Tension wrench is moving about. The back is binding. Click there, okay. So, nothing on one. Oh. Two is definitely binding. Yep. Don't know what's going on with the camera today. I'm having to reach right out in front of me. Counter on that one. And that one. A wrench is coming out again. Right, that's bloody twice. I think I might be better off, to be honest with you, if I was going to use bottom of the keyway. Try once more. Probably better if I put in a really vice, to be honest. Got some movement here, but I can't. It's just jumped in the water. Annoying little shit. Okay. Let's just overset that pen. Come on, back down. Okay, so it's all the chorus sort of seems to be moving around now. The whole thing. It's very sort of, I don't know, sort of wobbling up and down. It's a bit weird. Not sure this style of pick is doing me any favours, but it's what I picked up. There's got to be a spool in there somewhere doing something left. I'd imagine somewhere about there. There we go, nice full set now. Let's go back to 1. Nothing. Oh. Nothing. Oh God, I can't remember. Was there anything on there? I'll take that as a yes, because it's just popped. Oh, would you fucking believe it? Okay. 7 minutes in, I'm nearly 8 minutes in, and the wrench falls out right when I've picked it. Bollocks. Oh dear. Okay. See if we can do it a bit quicker this time. Then we got a bit of idea what's happening. That wrench falls out again, I'll give up. Really, really annoying, that is. Okay, I'm going to try this again if this pick will go under. And I'm not sure it will, but we'll give it a bash. Can't believe I did that. Schoolboy error with the the tension wrench. I can't get my pick back out past there, so that's obviously going to be the binding pin. If we can go back and find her. There, I think. I'm not a big fan of bottom of the keyway because I just find leaving against the wrench quite difficult, but needs must and all that. Come on. It's not one. It's not two. Click at 3. You notice that one? Because that's the one you pick to drop the bloody wrench. This is a very old tricky lock, to be fair. I can't get into that one. You're not going to let me off the hook, are you? Literally can't use that. Maybe the scimitar type pickers is a little easier, thinner. Which I wouldn't have been using off that ledge without, but with the tension being in the way. Can't get into that back pin. This is the problem. Yeah, okay, got it there. So what have we got left? 13 minutes to pick a master lock. Somebody should shoot me. So something overset, or what are we doing? God, crap. Right, please don't fall out this time. Oh, thank God for that. 14 minutes to pick a master lock. Ah, Lord, it just goes to show we're not all as professional as we like to think we are. Make sure it works properly. Perfect. Anyway, guys, well, anybody that gets to the end of this video, I'll take my hat off to you. Thanks for watching, guys.